Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Afterpay to Wix. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to earn minute. So first we'll have to open your site dashboard and go to settings and scroll down and click on accept payments. And if your business location incorrect, you have to correct your business location by clicking here. And now scroll down and click on see more payment options, and here you will find this Afterpay. So to connect your Afterpay, click on connect, and you have to read this instruction. To connect your Afterpay account, enter your Afterpay credentials in the form below. You will receive these credentials from Afterpay when your account was approved. And scroll down, and here you have to enter your merchant ID and secret key, and you will get these credentials on your Afterpay account. And after putting these credentials, scroll down and click on connect. So this is how we can connect or add Afterpay to our Wix account. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to earn minute. Thank you for watching.